Ladies and gentlemen, this is our ninth lecture of lecture series on Pakistan Penal Code, which we have started and brought to you by Baru and Friends Law Firm Gujarat and prepared by Chaudhry Kashif Neil Baru, Advocate High Court, and assisted by Akil Ahmed Atta. This is our ninth lecture of this series, which we have started on Pakistan Penal Code, and the topic is going on from lecture 1 to lecture 9, that is heard and its kinds. We are going to discuss about section 67P. The name of section 67P, execution of qisas for hurt. Where the execution will be held, who will conduct the execution of qisas, in whose presence execution will be completed, and if the wali or the victim is not present at the place of qisas where the qisas is going to be executed, then what will be the procedure adopted by the court? We will discuss these things. First one, let's move forward to our lecture. Number one, Qisas, number one is a very important cheese. Before moving to this, I will read out statute. Qisas shall be executed in public. The most important thing. Qisas will be executed in public. This is a very important thing. Qisas will be executed in public. Second most important thing, who will conduct the qisas, who will complete this process? Authorized medical officer. Authorized medical officer. Authorized medical officer will conduct the qisas. It is not possible to allow victim or his wali by giving him an axe in his hand or pistol in his hand or with some kind of knife in his hand and go and take your qisas. This is not possible. In civilized societies, this is not possible. So there is some kind of procedure which is given for the execution of qisas. And what is that? Number one, it will be conducted in public. And second important thing, it will be conducted by authorized medical officer. And third important thing, which has been given under this topic, that is authorized medical officer, before execution of qisas, he will definitely check and complete all the tests, required tests of the offender before the execution of qisas. That in case of execution of qisas, हो सकता है उसकी डेथ हो जाए, ऐसी किसी भी ट्रेजेडी से बचने के लिए क्या होगा? Authorized medical officer will completely check and will conduct complete test before execution of qisas. This is very important thing. Public by the authorized medical officer, who shall before such an execution examine the offender and take due care so as to ensure that the execution of qisas does not cause the death of offender or exceed hurt caused by him to the victim. This is a very important thing. For the what was the purpose behind the examination of the offender before execution of qisas? That authorized medical officer will check. Number one, सबसे पहले कि उसकी डेथ नहीं होनी चाहिए. Secondly, most important thing, कि जितना उसने नुकसान किया है उतना ही उसका नुकसान होना चाहिए. This is the main, you can say this is the core of qisas. जितना उसने नुकसान किया उससे थोड़ा सा भी ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. And in next we will move forward towards 67P2 subsection 67P subsection 2. And what is the given in the section 67.2? The wali shall be, as I have already discussed before you, that the wali shall be present at the time of execution of qisas. Wali a victim. Wali, I am talking about wali. And before in our previous lecture we have discussed this, who are the walis. Number one, victim. And if victim dies, his legal heirs, his father will claim the right of qisas, or his paternal grandfather will claim the right of qisas. And our third one, if there is no one is present, victim had died before the execution of qisas, if victim had died before the execution of qisas, then who will be the wali? And his father is not present, his paternal grandfather is not present, then the government of that time will be the wali of it. So under section 37P subsection 2, it is natural and it is very important requirement that wali should be present at the place of execution. Wali should be present. And in case if wali is not present, or after giving or proper service of time and place of execution of qisas, if wali is not present, wali is absent, Then what will be the procedure? Then the person who is supervising all the process, all the proceedings of Qisas, he may give permission to medical officer to complete the process of execution, even in absence of wali. But after due process of service. Now let's move forward towards section 337P3. What was 337P2 में आ गया उसकी presence of wali के हवाले से detail आ गई. Now let's move forward to our next topic, that is section 337P subsection 3. If the convict is a woman, this is a very important topic. This is a very, very important thing. If the convict is a woman, if the offender is a woman, then what will be the procedure? If she is brought for the execution process, but it came into knowledge of a medical officer after complete test, after complete examination, and before supervising officer who is judicial magistrate who is present at the place, that offender or convicted is a pregnant lady, then what will be the procedure? Then it is provided under the Pakistan Penal Code under section 337E3 that his execution proceedings will be delayed for how much time? For more than 2 years, for complete 2 years. That after the delivery, that 2-year period will start. After the delivery, 2-year period will start. And if it is possible, then release him on bail and take show remand from her and release her on bail. And if it is not possible to release her on bail, then she will only serve simple imprisonment. These are very important things which have been discussed under section 373. And I will read out the statute. If the convict is a woman who is pregnant, the court may, in consultation with an authorized medical officer, postpone the execution of Qisas up to a period of 2 years after the birth of child, and during this period she may be released on bail or furnishing of security to the satisfaction of the court, or if she is not released, shall be dealt with as if sentenced to simple imprisonment. So this was a very important section 337P. As I have already discussed in previous lecture, that in coming lecture we will discuss what is the process and procedure which will be adopted by the supervisor who is conducting all the proceedings, supervising all the proceedings of the execution of Qisas. So this was very important topic. Execution of Qisas for hurt. Qisas will be conducted in public, conducted by authorized medical officer. Authorized medical officer will completely check the convicted person, and second one, presence of wali is necessary, and if wali is not present after due service process, then what is the process? I have already discussed. And number 3, if she is a lady, convicted is a lady, and if she is pregnant, what is the process? This was all. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.